Hi, my name is Brad Newman. I am the executive chef at J. Silver Morton High School in Cicero. Right now we are going to show you how to cook a burger my favorite way, which is in cast iron. So we're going to start with our basic patty, the same way that we made for any other burgers. Make sure the shape is perfect. Make sure that it's just bigger than the bun so it shrinks up just right. Cooking on a cast iron, it's very simple. Make sure you scrub the cast iron and get any kind of rust that's on it. Pop it in the hottest oven you could get. If your oven only goes to 350, 350 will work. If your oven goes to 700, set it at 700. Right now we have a professional industrial oven here that goes to 500. The oven is at 500. We've had the cast iron pan in there for over a half hour. It's important to have the hot oven because we want to sear that meat. We want to sear that meat and get that color. Making a delicious hamburger is all about the color. We're going to take it here the same way. We're going to splash totally dry, absolutely dry pan. No oil, no nothing. Get it onto the hot cast iron, directly into the oven as quick as possible. And we wait. We get beautiful color to form on the bottom of that pan, and that's what we're looking for, the color. Depending on the thickness of the meat, depending on how much fat is in the meat, this piece of meat, which is 8 ounces, approximately 3/4 of an inch thick, probably take 3 minutes on one side. And because it's in the oven, there's heat all around it now. So even though the bottom is getting nice and crispy seared, the top is still baking. So when we flip this burger, we don't have to cook it as long as we would if we were in a saute pan or on the grill. So once we flip this burger, it's only going to be in the oven for 1 more minute. It's been in the oven about 2 minutes now. We're going to gently release the burger from the hot pan. We got nice color. 1 more minute in the oven. Back in the oven. At this point, the cheese is just starting to melt. The burger's still hot. That carryover heat is going to melt the cheese the rest of the way. And again, we're going to do the hardest part of cooking any perfect burger, and that's just letting it sit. Just letting it sit. The hardest part. The burger has sat for 1 minute. The cheese is perfectly melted. We put the bun on, and we'll show you again. Perfectly medium rare.